The differences between male and female cats are often a topic of interest for many cat owners, as understanding these distinctions can provide valuable insights into their behavior, personality, and care needs. While every cat is unique, there are certain tendencies that can be observed more often in male or female cats. These differences can manifest in aspects such as temperament, behavior, and physical traits. It's important to note that many of these differences can be influenced by factors such as age, breed, and whether the cat is spayed or neutered, but in general, certain patterns tend to emerge when comparing male and female cats. One of the most noticeable differences between male and female cats is their size. Male cats, on average, are larger than females. This size disparity is particularly evident in certain breeds, where males can weigh significantly more than females. Male cats often have a stockier, more robust build, while female cats tend to be more slender and smaller. This difference is not only in terms of weight but also in the overall body structure, with male cats having broader shoulders and larger heads. The difference in size is particularly apparent in unneutered cats, as the presence of testosterone in males contributes to their larger size. After neutering, male cats may become a bit smaller, but they still tend to remain larger than their female counterparts. Another key difference lies in the behavior of male and female cats, particularly when it comes to territorial instincts and mating behavior. Unneutered male cats are known for being more territorial and may exhibit behaviors such as marking their territory with urine. They are also more likely to roam in search of mates, often engaging in behavior like yowling or fighting with other male cats. Male cats can be more independent and sometimes less affectionate, especially if they have not been neutered, as their focus is often on finding mates and establishing dominance in their territory. This behavior can be a source of frustration for owners, as unneutered male cats may be more prone to acting out or wandering off. Female cats, on the other hand, typically have a stronger inclination to stay closer to home, especially when they are in heat. Female cats that are not spayed will go through regular cycles of estrus, during which they will display behaviors aimed at attracting males. These behaviors may include vocalizing more frequently, rubbing against objects or people, and displaying more affectionate behavior. During these times, female cats can be quite vocal and active, which may be a challenge for owners who are unprepared for the noise and attention-seeking behavior. However, spaying a female cat will eliminate these behaviors, and many female cats who have been spayed tend to be calmer and more content in their home environment. When it comes to temperament, male and female cats can display different tendencies. In general, male cats are often seen as more affectionate and playful, especially after they have been neutered. Male cats are known for forming strong bonds with their owners and may seek attention and affection more frequently than female cats. They may be more likely to follow their owners around the house, jump into their laps, or cuddle up next to them. Female cats, while also affectionate, may be a bit more independent. They are often more reserved and may not seek attention as readily as male cats. Female cats can be affectionate, but they may also value their personal space more, making them appear more aloof or distant at times. The difference in behavior can also be seen in how male and female cats interact with each other. Male cats, especially those that are unneutered, are more likely to engage in aggressive behavior towards other males. This can include territorial disputes and fighting over mates. Female cats, on the other hand, are often less aggressive and may be more likely to form social bonds with other cats. However, female cats can also be territorial, particularly if they are protecting their kittens or if they feel that their space is being invaded. In multi-cat households, the dynamics between males and females can vary widely, but male cats are typically more prone to aggressive encounters. Especially during mating seasons, in terms of grooming, there are some subtle differences between male and female cats. Female cats are often more meticulous about grooming themselves and may spend more time licking their coats. This could be attributed to their natural instincts to keep themselves clean, especially when they are in heat or during pregnancy. Male cats, while still grooming regularly, may not be as fastidious as females. However, this difference in grooming habits is not always noticeable, especially in domesticated cats that are well cared for. When it comes to the health of male and female cats, there are certain conditions that are more common in one gender than the other. For example, male cats are more prone to developing urinary tract issues, particularly if they are not neutered. Unneutered male cats are more likely to develop blockages in their urinary tract due to the narrowness of their urethra, which can be a life-threatening condition if not treated promptly. Female cats, on the other hand, are more prone to certain reproductive health issues, such as uterine infections and mammary tumors, particularly if they are not spayed. Spaying and neutering can greatly reduce the risk of these health problems, making it an important step in preventing gender-specific health issues. There are also some differences in how male and female cats handle changes in their environment or routine. Male cats, particularly those that are not neutered, may be more easily stressed by changes in their territory, such as the introduction of a new pet or a move to a new home. This can lead to increased territorial behavior, such as spraying or aggression. Female cats, while still sensitive to changes, may be more adaptable to new situations. They may take longer to adjust to changes, but once they have established their space, they are often more content. However, if a female cat is in heat or pregnant, she may experience heightened anxiety or restlessness, making her more prone to stress. In terms of life expectancy, there is no definitive rule that male cats live longer than female cats or vice versa. The lifespan of a cat depends on a variety of factors, including genetics, diet, healthcare, and living conditions. However, neutered males tend to have fewer health issues related to their reproductive system, and as a result, they may live slightly longer than unneutered males. Female cats, when spayed, are also less prone to certain health issues, such as ovarian and uterine cancers, which can contribute to a longer lifespan. Ultimately, while there are general differences between male and female cats, it's important to remember that each cat is an individual with its own unique personality and needs. Many factors, such as breed, socialization, and environment, play a significant role in shaping a cat's behavior and temperament. Whether male or female, every cat has the potential to form deep bonds with their owners and provide companionship and affection. The key to understanding your cat is to recognize and respect its individual personality, regardless of gender, and to provide a loving and supportive environment where your cat can thrive.